I don't want mama money. I feel guilty when my mama be saying, here. I feel sad because I know she don't have nothing. I wish I could give her money more. So everybody supposed to be like that. People, they take care of mama first. All the stuff she done been through and went through. I guess maybe I'm the only one old enough to know how mama was treated when she was. Oh, what else? Just don't bring that crap to me, cause I'ma knock her out. I'm about to play with her. It just don't make sense for her to be that old. You know, we older. She's supposed.
Margaret's charged at Nassau.
So what happened? You didn't get around to got home.
3 officers.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if I can get it to turn around. I don't know how to do that. Like use the forward camera.
Look at that car. Look at the car, Dad. It's going up there.
Oh, people sitting there.
Got a parade. Oh, they must have a parade. You saw that fat girl coming out of the store. She had the big old.
What stuff?
That where you just got that gas from.
I see.
Big old legs like this with them stockings on. I'm like, oh. That don't make sense for Bobman to do that. That's just crazy. This is like I said, she's something wrong with it. And no, other than that, it gotta be a medical problem.
Ew, there you go. Look. Okay, stop.
I would never be doing that. Oh, look, come on, come on. Let's go there and change this, because I want to step back. Let somebody else do it now. She gotta have a reason for her to be like you said, I guess. I can't believe it.
Taking away her cushion.
Is she acting like that because I took it? Or if anybody?
Anybody. I'm telling you, that's all. She just got comfortable dealing with that money. It was her money.
Take this away, taking stuff away from me. I didn't do that. The state did it.
Figure that one out. Okay, well, you figure that one out, Tamara.
I'd be glad we didn't went to prison. I just want a tall mocha. Cappuccino, the hot one, and a croissant.
See what?
A tall mocha cappuccino.
Give me a tall mocha cappuccino.
And a croissant.
And a chocolate croissant. And a grande Vietnamese coffee.
What? Vietnamese?
Okay, you gotta be a little bit more specific about that. I want a cake.
Oh, okay. That's the. Don't worry about that one then.
Okay, cake 35.
Thank you.
Gotta be what?
A bit more specific. She don't know what that is.
Oh,
Yeah, that's what they at the Starbucks at Harris. That's what they be making. I guess maybe that's somebody make it.
Vietnamese coffee? Well, how you know how it tastes?
Cause I get it.
What it tastes like?
I think it's coffee made with condensed milk. I think.
That's why you be pulling.
And it be strong.
Stop drinking. Condensed milk is fat.
I'm a grown ass man.
But Gil, look, yeah, you grown. Look at all that.
Alright, baby, okay. Let me
Yeah, be quiet, because you're looking at it. And look, we need to make that appointment so we can go and do the thing before they take all that money out of your check. We still got to do the physical.
Chief economist.
If we had that, I would be able to get my glasses on the car.
At the Shrine on Airline Stadium, 6,000 Airline Drive in Metairie. Join Orland's own Pro Bowler.
Is to catch all of the History by Us stories.
Old School 106.7. Right now, traffic.
106 split your eastbound backup, so from Malaysia Fields to I-10 and on the westbound side. From Canal Boulevard to I-10 on US 90 eastbound, your delays are steady. From Stump Boulevard to Earhart. To eastbound, your delays are solid from the 610 to Louisa. And